In this video, we will understand how to use the price ladder on OptionX to place and manage orders. We will also see how to place 4 different types of orders: market orders, limit orders, stop loss orders, and bracket orders, along with the auto trailing stop loss feature, step by step directly from the price ladder. To open the price ladder, go to UI widgets and select price ladder. After opening it, you will see the selected instrument on the top left side. Below that, you can view your net positions and P&L. You can modify the instrument directly from the ladder. Here, you can select the underlying instrument, choose the expiry, select the strike price, and choose whether you want to trade calls or puts. Below that, you can select the order type such as limit order, stop loss order, or bracket order. You can also define the quantity before placing the order. Now let's place a market order. At the bottom, you will find Buy Market and Sell Market buttons. Clicking on Buy Market will place a buy order at the current market price. Similarly, clicking on Sell Market will place a sell order at the current market price. To close the position, simply click on Exit. Now let's place a limit order. On the ladder, the green side represents bids and the red side represents offers. To place a buy limit order, click on the green bid side at your desired price level. Similarly, to place a sell limit order, click on the red offer side at your desired price level. Your order will now appear on the ladder at that specific level. The yellow highlight indicates the current market price, the green highlight indicates your placed buy order, and the red highlight indicates your placed sell order. Here, I am cancelling the sell order and keeping the buy order active. Once the market reaches that level, the order will be executed. Now let's place a stop loss order. Select stop loss and click on the desired price level on the offer side. Similarly, if you want to place a stop loss order for a sell position, you can click on the white highlighted part on the bid side. Your stop loss order will now be placed directly on the ladder. You can also modify the stop loss by simply clicking and dragging it to another price level. Next, let's look at bracket orders. Enter the target and stop loss values, then place the order on the desired price level. The entry order, target, and stop loss will all be placed together. You can modify the entry, target, and stop loss levels directly from the ladder. This allows quick order adjustments without reopening the order window. Now let's understand auto trailing stop loss. Enable auto trail to automatically move the stop loss as the market moves in your favor. To configure the trailing settings, click on Full Mode. At the bottom, you will find the auto trailing settings. Here, you can define how the stop loss should trail with price movement. For example, if the price moves by 2 points upward, the stop loss can automatically move by 1 point. As you can see, when the stop loss is triggered, the target order is automatically cancelled from the ladder. Similarly, if the target is achieved, the stop loss order will be automatically cancelled from the ladder. You can also place and manage multiple orders directly from the ladder. Orders can be modified, dragged, or cancelled directly from the same screen. This is how you can use the price ladder on OptionX to place and manage orders efficiently. In the next video, we will learn how to place and manage orders using the XY ladder on OptionX.